Today, I'm gonna share to you 4 self-care tips that helps improve your mental health. A lot of health experts suggest that other than our physical health, we should also observe and take care of our mental health. Do you also agree? Our brain has the largest function in our human anatomy. It controls our major processes such as moving, speech, making decisions, and much more. And even you're asleep, our brain function still continue to do their job. But inevitably, our body experience exhaustion and fatigue due to external stress. And so does our brain. This is why mental health should not be ignored. And here I'll share to you the 4 self-care tips to help our brain cope amidst these stressors. So number 1 is puzzle games. In this busy world, most of us will think that multitasking is a skill. It becomes very popular that the more you do certain things in the same time is the more productive you are. But recent study shows that multitasking is not very helpful at all, as this puts our brain to stress even more through having multiple things to be delivered all at once, instead of allowing our brain to focus on one thing and one task at a time. Most of the mental health professionals would agree that a more focused brain can deliver more quality of work than the one doing multitask. To help improve with mental health, engage yourself with puzzle games. This helps to lessen your mental stress as this focuses on one task to solve a puzzle. Its benefit is to help your brain develop a strong decision making, and it will also increase the level of your cognitive skills. So some of the puzzle games includes chess, Scrabble, jigsaw puzzle, Rubik's Cube, Sudoku, crosswords, and a lot more. Okay, number 2 is to calm your mind with meditation. If you ask any healthcare professionals about mental health tips, the famous answer would be meditation. Meditation has been widely used across the globe in battling mental health issues. Aside from that, meditation is now used in wellness activity in major fitness and health industry. So this includes yoga, Pilates, animal flow, and other physical activities or movements that integrates mind and connection to the body. You know, the people who meditate regularly often have a better performance because it enhances a person's focus, detail attentiveness, creativity, sharp memory, sharp listening, and is able to comprehend better. Aside from having an inner sense of peace, people who meditate are more likely to have empathy and compassion. Meditation exercises includes breathing exercises and listening to the sounds of nature such as rain, sea waves, crackling fireplace, forests, and the like. This self-care activity will help you calm down and give you a mental peace. Or simply find a quiet place to think of the things that you are grateful and thankful for. The third one is to make your physical exercise a habit. A study showed that regular exercise plays a major contribution to humans' overall health and well-being. A person's physique is the most visible output of doing exercise. While internally, it helps us to perform an active metabolism, strong heart and lungs, steady muscle, and endurance. Also, a good sense of balance and coordination, and so much more. But what does a regular physical exercise does to our mental health? According to fitness and health professionals, regular exercise can boost brain abilities. Yes, the so-called brain power, which includes intelligence and reflex skills. This works through neurogenesis when you perform a cardiovascular activity. Neurogenesis creates new cells that improve a person's mental health performance. Since we've mentioned that exercise can give a person a good physique, how this will make you feel if your body is physically fit and healthy. Well, what would make you feel if you're able to run up and down the stairs without getting easily fatigued or exhausted? What would makes you feel if you lift things from one place to another effortlessly without panting? Of course, you will feel great and you will feel good about yourself, which leads you to build self-confidence and self-esteem, which also good for our brain. You see, when you feel healthy, when you feel fit, when you're able to do such things without easily getting fatigued or not get easily injured or not easily fall off balance, that makes you feel great about yourself and confident about how your body can do such great things. So, a regular exercise is indeed a mood booster. You feel happy, you feel awesome, you feel great. That lessen a person's risk or mild symptoms of any depression and anxiety. So the next time you feel sad about the day and feel depressed, just get up your bed, just get up wherever you are to sit, walk around, jog around, do some exercises, and after that, you'll feel better. Do you agree? All right, last but not the least is self love and a better sleep. When you love yourself, you are likely going to take care of yourself. Do you? You will be more aware of your overall health and wellness. And you will never deprive yourself of anything, and that includes sleep. Sleep deprivation can increase the level of mental stress and can lead to more serious mental health issues as well as chronic diseases. Sleep problems like insomnia has a significant effect on a person's mood and cognitive behavior. However, self-love is the perfect key to combat sleeping problems. According to mental researchers, having a good quality of sleep can increase a person's mental health performance because sleep regenerates our body and allows you to recover from day-to-day activity. The first thing to get you a quality of sleep is to audit your sleeping habits or sleeping patterns. If you find yourself getting problem to get sleep, okay, try to relax your mind first before going to bed. So that includes phone off, silent your phone so that you won't be tempted for any messages or notifications. And then you can adjust your room light or your room's temperature and see which settings is more comfortable for you to relax and go to bed early and to sleep early. You could also plan to commit yourself to a sleeping pattern where you can stick to your waking hour and your sleeping hour. Lastly, however, this is optional. Have a relaxing bath before going to bed or a relaxing tea like chamomile or Earl Grey to help you just feel relaxed. It's the way of us communicating to our body that it's time to bed, it's time to sleep, and we need to regenerate the energy that we exhausted for the day, replenish it for the coming day. We all know that mental health awareness is important in every person's daily life. And this, what I've shared to you, are only few tips of the essential self-care to help improve your mental health. And at the end of the day, it is only you and you alone knows how to fight and battle these stressors or the anxiety or the depression or childhood trauma that you have. Only you and you alone can combat that. If you know and observe and you're aware of it, then I believe that you can fight it and become well better soon and soon enough. But the saying remains true that no man is an island. To make sure that you keep yourself connected with your loved ones, have a friend or your parents or your siblings, talk to them. If you need someone to listen to, that you know understands you. Remember, you cannot share to everyone because not everyone is open to listen to you. So choose whom to tell, the person you trust. Be honest for the support that you need. Hope you feel better soon. I'll see you on our next videos. Hope this helps. Bye!